Today, I will show you how you can visit the beautiful city of Porto simply by walking. The path I did for this video is a loop, so whenever you start, it will be also your finish point. I started my walk at Jardim do Morro. It is a garden at the highest point of a hill in Vila Nova de Gaia. From up there, you can see the whole city of Porto, its landscape, and the banks of the Douro River in Gaia. Especially during the summer, this is the best sunset spot. From there, I crossed the Luís I Bridge. I went to the Porto Cathedral, a Roman Catholic church located in the historical center of the city of Porto. It is one of the city's oldest monuments and one of the most important local Romanesque monuments. Next, I stopped by the São Bento railway station. And the city center of Porto is often described as one of the most beautiful train stations in the entire world. Lining the Grand Hall are 20,000 insane pictorial tiles. Here, every tile tells a story. Our next stop is Palácio da Bolsa, a national monument located in the historical center of the city. Built by the Porto Commercial Association on the ruins of the St. Francis Convent, has become by excellence the Porto city's drawing room, transforming this building into the most visited monument in the northern Portugal. On the banks of the Douro, Ribeira is undoubtedly the most iconic area in Porto. In short, the district of Ribeira is the perfect spot for a nice walk by the river. To discover Ribeira, nothing better than putting away your map and getting lost in the labyrinthine alleys of the neighborhood. To appreciate even more the district of Ribeira, cross the bridge Luís I to reach Vila Nova de Gaia. On the banks of Gaia, you will be amazed by the view. Now, to finish our walk, you can take the cable car or just walk uphill to reach our starting point. Next week, I will take you guys on an adventure to the Porto mountain. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. If you want to see another video about the Porto area, make sure to click here where I show you guys around the Porto City Park.